Introducing the Ryobi 1 Plus multi-purpose mister and fogger, a quick, easy and efficient way to care for your garden, control pests or help to clean indoors. For outdoors, the mister and fogger can be used with insecticides, fungicides and herbicides to control bugs, kill weeds and care for plants in your garden. It has a 2-litre tank that enables you to tackle large areas without having to stop and refill. And it's powerful enough to cover 90 square metres per minute. The mister and fogger is also great to use in large indoor spaces, including offices, helping to keep them clean with general household cleaning agents like detergents and disinfectants. The mister and fogger provides more coverage with fewer chemicals than traditional sprayers. It works by atomising liquids to create a very fine mist or fog, where the droplets are much smaller than traditional garden sprayers, aerosols or spray bottles. And because the mist can be propelled up to 4.5 metres, it gets into hard-to-reach spaces and covers surfaces thoroughly. It's also lightweight, easy to manoeuvre and completely portable. So if you want to nourish plants, fight bugs in the garden, or keep your indoor spaces clean quickly and easily using less chemical, the Ryobi 1 Plus multi-purpose mister and fogger is a great press-of-a-button solution.
Ryobi, a cut above.